Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix gaps on Tradingview charts. If you've been analyzing charts on Tradingview, you've probably noticed gaps, those sudden jumps between price levels where no trading appears to happen. These gaps can make charts look messy and sometimes harder to analyze, especially if you're focusing on smooth price action or specific strategies. The good news is that there's a simple way to visually remove or reduce these gaps using built-in chart settings and an indicator. To begin, open Tradingview and load your chart. At the top of the screen, locate the Chart Type selector. This is where you choose candles, bars, etc. Click on it. From the drop-down options, select Step Line. This chart type connects price points using horizontal and vertical lines instead of traditional candles. This matters because the step line helps smooth out how price movements are displayed, making gaps less visually disruptive. Now, right-click anywhere on the chart. From the menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings panel, go to the Step Line section. Here, you'll see color and style options. Now, adjust the colors and set their opacity to 0%. This matters because setting the opacity to 0% makes the step line invisible, so it doesn't clutter your chart while still allowing you to use it as a base for the next step. After adjusting the settings, click OK or close the panel. Next, go to the top of the chart and click on Indicators. In the search bar, type No Gap Candles. Select the indicator from the list. Once added, it will overlay your chart and reconstruct the candles in a way that removes gaps. Now take a look at your chart. You should notice smoother price movement, reduced or eliminated gaps, cleaner visual structure. This makes it easier to analyze trends and patterns without interruptions. Keep in mind, this method visually removes gaps, but it doesn't change actual market data, and always be aware that real gaps still exist in price history. To summarize, fixing gaps on Tradingview involves switching to the step line chart, setting its opacity to 0, and adding the No Gap Candles indicator. This creates a smoother and cleaner chart for analysis. And that's how to fix gaps on Tradingview charts. While gaps are a natural part of the market, they don't always need to dominate your visual analysis. By customizing your chart setup like this, you can create a cleaner workspace that helps you focus on what really matters: price movement and structure. Just remember, this is a visual adjustment, not a change in actual data, so always keep that in mind when making trading decisions. As you continue refining your setup, experiment with different indicators and chart types to find what works best for your strategy. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.